Hi everyone. This is my website. I'm Gabriel Rodriguez, and this is tracknews.com. So, basically, what we speak about is just track and field performances across the board, college level, pro, and just the performances and how impressive they are, and just all of the new athletes coming around the sport, and new faces, old faces, and just really analyzing performances. So this here is my website, and yeah, so right here, as you can see, this is the home page, and this just has a couple photos of some of the current greats in track and field right now, and we're going to go to the about page now. So here we have the about page, and this is really just my reasoning for creating this website. And up top right here you can see one of the most legendary races of American track and field. So the next page we have is contact, and right here is just the email where I can be contacted at. And yeah, next page is my work and portfolio page. So right here is my work and portfolio page, and basically it just this is really the page where you see everything, all of the articles, and all the newest news in track and field. You know, we have a matchup right here between two of the current greats in track and field, Jakob Ingebrigtsen and Josh Kerr. And here's a little article I wrote about them. Here is another article about another current runner in the world. He's one of the best runners out of Spain currently, and he's facing a couple-year ban for doping. And yeah, so here's my last page, social media. This will be filled out with my social links soon, but yeah, that's it for now. Thank you.